Another significant challenge many advertisers face is the fact that auction prices may get inflated when they use multiple DSPs at the same time. The truth is that the average number of DSPs used by medium and large-sized advertisers is 3. When doing so, the chances are that each DSP may be bidding against each other for reaching the same target audience. In other words, it's highly likely that the advertiser will be bidding against themselves, thus inflating their bids and increasing media costs. But let's take an example to see how prices can get inflated in an open auction through the use of multiple DSPs. For this example, let's assume that an advertiser uses 3 different DSPs to run remarketing campaigns. When a user visits the publisher's website, the SSP passes this information to the ad exchange, which relays it to all those 3 DSPs. The first DSP places a bid of $1, the second places a bid of $3, and the third places a bid of $5. The SSP then decides that the third DSP wins the auction because it had the highest bid. Another reason as to why prices may get inflated is the fact that frequency capping is typically set on a DSP level. Therefore, if an advertiser uses 3 DSPs, and his goal is to show 5 impressions maximum per user per day, all DSPs may deliver up to 15 impressions in total per user per day. That would technically triple the cost of advertising for no substantial gain. But let's take the previous example, and assume that the advertiser has set a frequency capping of 5 impressions per user per day in each of those 3 DSPs. The way it will work is that the third DSP will win the first 5 auctions because it has the highest bids. Thus, it will serve 5 impressions in total to that unique user. After that, it won't bid again for that user throughout the day, because it reached the impressions cap limit. Next, the second DSP will win another 5 auctions due to its higher bids. Thus, it will serve 5 impressions in total to that unique user. Next, it will stop bidding for that user throughout the day. Lastly, the first DSP will bid and win 5 auctions, and serve 5 impressions maximum to that user. All in all, even though the frequency capping was 5 impressions per user per day, the 3 DSPs served 15 impressions in total to that user. This situation results in additional costs for the advertiser, and also may annoy the target audience, something that can negatively impact conversion rates.